reward their employees?
I think it is most important technology. So I.
It's me, Nanda, your ALS district geographer for today, and here I am to ask you some questions about your personal information. So, what's your full name?
My full name is Dina Kosu.
Right. How do you spell your name?
Parents and family call me Meenu, and sometimes Kanchu.
So, what should I call you?
Or you can call me by my first name, Nina.
Right.
So it was the time of my school when I used to read at class 8, and our school have announces on sports day. So it normally ranges up to 1 month, and it started from post 8th. And yeah, our school have announced that I really want to participate in a 100-meter race, and yeah, I started practicing for that. And the day that finally come, and I just joined the race, and it started, but it doesn't go off ended like I have thought. I come to second place because I think I don't have prepared well enough, because one of my friend named Rakesh won that race, and I feel a bit of guilty for myself that I didn't work enough and he worked really hard. And I get a lot of personal queries and all the stuff about that. If I have done a little bit about this thing, I could win up that race. Kind of that thoughts, but what happens could change of that thing. Yeah, I got good memories. Got second, and I just won silver medal. That is a good memory of my school.
Okay.